Hello, dear one. Welcome to this guided meditation for meeting and connecting with your spirit guides. You have an entire team in the unseen that is on standby, ready to provide encouragement, guidance, and clarity. So let's find a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed, and let's go meet your spirit guides. Now, let's get centered in this present now moment. By closing our eyes, we're going to allow our breath to anchor us into the magic, safety, and security of this sacred space right here and right now. Let's take a deep breath for 3 seconds. As you inhale, see a golden, divine white light enter your body. As you hold for 3 seconds, see this golden white light melting tension, alleviating anxiety, washing away concerns. Release for 3 seconds. See those concerns and anxiety floating off into the distance, leaving your body temple. Let's do it again. Inhale golden white light for 3 seconds. Hold for 3 seconds. Cleanse your body temple of anything that is irrelevant to this present now moment. Now release for 3 seconds. See what you no longer wish to carry drift off into the distance. One more time. Inhale golden, divine white light for 3 seconds. Hold. Let that golden, divine white light scan your body from head to toe of anything that is lower vibrational. This time when we release, the air goes out, but the golden, divine white light stays in. You are filled with golden, divine white light. You are embraced in the comforting, warm arms of unconditional love. Unconditional love is the dominant frequency of source consciousness. In this moment, you are safe, protected, and loved. Your team in the unseen, your spirit guides, they're here for your highest good. These are contracts that you made before you decided to incarnate. You decided to step into this physical life. They decided to help you from beyond the veil, or maybe some stepped into this physical life with you and then left and went back from whence you both came and are now helping you from the other side. Spirit guides come in all shapes and sizes. Maybe you're a star seed and you've got intergalactic spirit guides. Whatever you believe your spirit guides may or may not be, at this moment right now, I want you to give yourself permission to release any expectation of what you're expecting to see when we go on this journey, on who you're expecting to see when we go on this journey. Become a blank canvas in an energy of receptivity, openness, and absolute trust that what you will see, receive, and perceive is for your highest good. You now feel a gentle tug on your heart. Your intuition tells you that this tug is coming from someone that loves and admires you. Now from your heart, a soft pink light begins to emanate right out of your heart chakra. It projects out in front of you. And in the middle of this soft pink light, a door is produced. On this door, it says 1111. 11 is the master number that represents the portal between the physical and the non-physical. You intuitively know that on the other side of that door is someone who is waiting to meet and connect with you for your highest good. You are protected in divine golden white light. You trust that only your highest good can share the same space with you. You get up and you walk through the door. As you walk through the door, you find yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air is filled with the scent of nature, and a gentle breeze rustles the leaves. You can sense an energetic fabric which holds all things together. This energy is intelligent, it's sentient, loving, protecting. This energy is also you, and you are also it. You feel a deep sense of peace and serenity as you take a step into the forest. As you venture further into the woods, you come across a serene clearing. This clearing is steeped in mist and fog, but you can just make out a little bench in the middle of this clearing, a place where you can have a rest. A cobblestone path covered with a soft emerald green moss leads the way to this bench in the center of this misty clearing. You walk carefree toward the bench, knowing that you are divinely protected and unconditionally loved. As you take a seat on the bench, you stare forward into this dense fog with an open heart of receptivity. You now declare, I now invite in my spirit guides for my highest good. Now be still and perceptive. What do you see? Make note of any visions, any sensations on the skin, any colors. Maybe a name comes through, maybe a face. Maybe you smell a fragrance you haven't smelled since childhood. Maybe you hear something. Maybe you get a download. Be present with what comes through now. Connect to it with your heart, knowing that your guide is there for your highest good and you have spent many lives together. This is not a first meeting. This is a reintroduction. Why did you come here, dear one? For clarity, guidance, encouragement, questions. Well, let's find out. I want you to now ask the question, what are my next steps for my highest good? Now, be still and perceptive. What comes through? Is it an action word or an action phrase? A picture of you taking action. Maybe it's a vision of you standing up to that person that keeps stepping over your boundaries. Maybe it's a vision of you letting that toxic relationship go. Maybe it's you starting that heart-led business that you've always wanted to start. Whatever guidance that you get, dear one, if it's for your highest good, then taking action on that guidance cannot be a threat to survival. On the other side of fear is freedom. Have the courage and the faith to move forward in the face of fear. And now, to your surprise, your spirit guide has a gift for you. This gift is a physical object. You hold your hand out, and your spirit guide puts this gift in your hand. This is your spirit guide's unique calling card for this particular guide. When you go about your daily life and you see this particular object, you will know that your spirit guide is not only watching over, guiding, and protecting you, but is letting you know that you are on the right path. Now, we intuitively feel that it's time to leave. But before you leave, express your gratitude to your spirit guide for their presence and guidance. Let them know that you value their support on your spiritual journey and that your door is always open to their guidance and their presence. Now we want to slowly start to bring our awareness back to our physical surroundings. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you, and the room you are in. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, dear one, you have more than one spirit guide. You can come back to this guided meditation as many times as you want to meet all the different spirit guides with their unique calling cards. You would be amazed to learn of the size of your team in the unseen. Your spirit guides are always with you, ready to assist and guide you whenever you need it. I hope this guided meditation has allowed you to connect and strengthen your bond with your spirit guides. I recommend keeping a spirit guide journal so that you can record any downloads, visions, or sensations that you experience when you do this guided meditation with your spirit guides. Oftentimes you'll notice what seems like abstract downloads or words. Once you journal them over time, they turn into profound messages, insights, and guidance. Until next time, dear one, I love you. Namaste.